She loves the 3D printer.
Cat food is in the bedroom closet.
Make
Make sure it goes back there and the door's shut once you're done.
He's so scared. We're just here to give you food, buddy. I'll pet you because your brother looks shook boots. Yeah. He looks shook boots. Yeah, he didn't even move. It's okay, bud.
I can't believe Madison's had me drive here to feed each cat a scoop of this big. How many cats does she have?
I think she has 3 more. He looks so sad and uncomfy. Vamos, tigers. Part 2. Hello. Try number 2. Back again. What the hell? Alright. I swear, after all these scratch offs we bought, if somebody don't win money for Christmas, I'm gonna be mad. Man, I gotta go pee. That's great. All right, last Fuggler, last chance to get my rare or ultra rare. I really want that guy. What the hell? I already have her. To me throwing it. Look, they're real brothers. Lame. Haircut check. Got my hair cut. Okay. Beanie be nice. Be nice, Bean. Trying to start some ruckus? You leave my son alone. He's an old man. Bean.